folks. I want to talk to you today about the course schedule checklist, which you can find in your course if you scroll down. Let me just go back into the course for a second just to show you. Scroll down through course orientation. You'll get to using the course schedule checklist, which is this video, and you should already have got there. And then this document here. So I'm going to open that up. I suggest you print this off and also keep an electronic copy because it's a very important document to keep you on track and to give you a sense of accomplishment because you can check things off when you are done them. First couple of things to notice, this first box here. Week 1 begins on the first Monday following your registration, so everybody has a different start date. It's important to put yours in here and then fill in all these dates in as you go along so that you are clear on when your due dates are. That's the first important thing. In green are the things you're supposed to start every week, and in red and italicized are the things you're supposed to hand in. So keep those little rules in mind when you're using this document. Let's take a look at week 1. What are you supposed to do? Okay, so you get your dates in there. Let's say you're starting the course the first week of February. Well, you explore the course, read and print out all the assignments, watch all the videos, and start your first reflective entry, writing entry. Okay, week 2, you have to submit that one. So if you look at your assignment, it's week 2, week 5, and week 9 for those reflective writing assignments. So it's a really good idea to get a big picture of what the course entails and what you have to do. And this is why we have this document. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. Week 2, week 3, you start your second reflective writing assignment, work on your course profile. And I strongly suggest you get involved with other people in the course by going in the copy shop, posting your stuff, asking for feedback. You can go in the participant area of the course, find out who's actually in the course right now, and reach out to them. Peer feedback is excellent, and I strongly suggest that you try to engage with other students. You can also engage with me whenever you want to. One other thing that's really important to remember about the schedule, let's go down to the end here. Due dates, okay? There's a bunch of stuff due here, but the basic thing, and if you read the assignments, the drop dead deadline for all assignments is the last day of the course. So that means that you have to hand everything in by then. Otherwise, you don't get a grade. Your work is incomplete. If you want to get feedback, then you hand in your work according to the dates on this schedule. For example, if you want to get feedback on your first reflective writing, you hand it in at this date. If you want to get feedback on your course profile, A and B, you hand it in week 4, and so on through the course. That's your choice. You don't have to hand it in then. The ultimate deadline is the last day of the course. The reason why it's a good idea to hand things in according to these suggested due dates is I can give you written feedback. And research shows this is the most powerful assessment as far as learning and development of learning goes. So if you don't hand it in on the deadline, for example, week 4, if you don't hand in your draft of your course profile, that's fine. I make a notation on that. And at the end of the course, if you hand it in, I will grade you, give you whatever the grade is, but you won't get any written feedback. And that again is your choice. However, I strongly recommend to get the most out of the course is engage both with me as your instructor to get feedback from me and also your fellow students to get feedback from them. That's how you get the most out of the course. Okay, now anything else on this? It's pretty straightforward. It's got the percentages, it's got the deadlines, the things you should work on. If you have any questions about this document and how to use it, please either send me an email, ccarroll, C-A-R-R-O-L-L, @vcc.ca, or post in the coffee shop, and I can answer you and thereby help out other students as well. Okay, that's all for now. This is an important document. Please use it, and I hope it works for you. Thanks. Bye for now.